Customize your Android home screen by adding a calendar widget, making it simple to check your schedule and upcoming events anytime. Go to your Android home screen and find an empty area where there are no app icons or folders. Tap and hold that empty space for a few seconds until the home screen editing options appear. Then, tap Widgets to open the widget library available on your device. Scroll through the list of available apps until you locate Calendar. Tap on it to see the available widget styles. Depending on your phone and calendar app, you may see options such as month view, schedule, agenda, or today's events. Choose the widget style that best suits your needs. Tap Add to automatically place it on your home screen. Alternatively, you can touch and hold the widget, then drag and drop it onto your preferred location before releasing it. If the widget supports resizing, tap and hold it until a border with blue handles appears. Drag the handles inward or outward to make the widget smaller or larger, depending on the available space on your home screen. That's it. Your calendar widget is now on your home screen, making it easier to stay organized and keep track of important events.